Robotic construction is here. Meet Hadrian X. It is the world's first mobile robotic block-laying machine and system. Capable of safely working outdoors in uncontrolled environments with speed and accuracy. Hadrian X builds block structures from a 3D CAD model, producing far less waste than traditional construction methods, while dramatically improving site safety. Humans have been laying bricks in the same way for the past 6,000 years. According to the 2019 survey of construction from the Census Bureau, the average completion time of a single-family home is around 7 months. Hadrian X is capable of building the walls of a house in situ in as